You're going to step in on this one, so make sure you have some room, okay? It's a middle punch, no takedown, alright? Good. Middle punch, step with that right leg, elbow, elbow, right? You want to get them. No. Alright, so you want to get just above their elbow, because that's where the nerves are, right? So, elbow, back fist. Now you shift into your front stance. Spear hand to the groin, okay? Go back. When you whip, hammer fist to the groin, okay? Now, you gotta watch this. So, you're here, your hands come back, and you're throwing what's called a C punch. So it's a high punch with the left, uppercut with the right. Okay, so one more time. The uppercut.
This one's cool.
Here.